Introducing the Yamaha MT-03, a masterpiece of engineering, where innovation meets artistry. The MT-03 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. A statement of boldness, freedom, and unmatched performance. Crafted for riders who crave the perfect balance of power and agility, the Yamaha MT-03 stands as a true symbol of Yamaha's dedication to excellence. At the heart of the MT-03 lies its dynamic 321cc parallel twin engine. Designed with precision and performance in mind, this engine delivers smooth acceleration, impressive torque, and exceptional reliability. Whether you're navigating the twists and turns of a mountain road or cruising through the city streets, the MT-03 offers the power and responsiveness you need to conquer every journey. The MT-03 is built on Yamaha's iconic master of torque philosophy. This means it's engineered to provide strong low and mid-range torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration at any speed. The lightweight and compact engine ensures effortless handling, while its liquid-cooled design enhances performance and efficiency. Yamaha has meticulously designed the MT-03 to deliver a seamless blend of power and practicality, making it the perfect choice for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. Let's talk about design. The Yamaha MT-03 is a true work of art. Its aggressive styling is inspired by its larger siblings in the MT lineup, like the MT-07 and MT-09. At first glance, you'll notice its sharp lines and angular bodywork, exuding a sense of dynamism and athleticism. The MT-03 is a motorcycle that commands attention, whether it's parked at the curb or racing down the highway. The front of the MT-03 features a striking LED headlight assembly. With its unique design, the headlight not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's bold and futuristic appearance. The compact fuel tank, sculpted with precision, gives the MT-03 a muscular stance while providing excellent ergonomics for the rider. Every detail, from the lightweight aluminum wheels to the high-quality finishes, reflects Yamaha's commitment to craftsmanship and quality. Climb onto the saddle of the Yamaha MT-03, and you'll immediately feel a sense of connection. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable riding position, making it ideal for long journeys and daily commutes alike. The upright seating posture, combined with the wide handlebars, offers excellent control and maneuverability. Whether you're weaving through traffic or carving through a series of corners, the MT-03 gives you the confidence to push your limits. One of the standout features of the MT-03 is its advanced suspension system. Equipped with an upside-down front fork and a rear monoshock, the MT-03 delivers exceptional stability and control. The suspension is tuned to absorb bumps and imperfections in the road, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Yamaha has also equipped the MT-03 with a lightweight steel frame, which contributes to its nimble handling and precise steering. But the MT-03 isn't just about performance and handling, it's packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your riding experience. The bike features a fully digital LCD instrument panel, displaying all the vital information you need at a glance. From speed and RPM to fuel level and gear position, the display is clear and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. Safety is a top priority for Yamaha, and the MT-03 is no exception. The bike comes equipped with advanced braking systems, including dual front disc brakes and ABS technology. This ensures optimal stopping power and stability, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're riding on wet roads or making sudden stops, the MT-03's braking system provides the confidence and control you need. The Yamaha MT-03 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. It's for those who dare to stand out, who embrace challenges, and who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. The MT-03 is perfect for riders who value versatility. Its lightweight design and compact size make it an excellent choice for city commuting, while its powerful engine and dynamic handling make it equally capable on winding country roads. Customization is another key aspect of the MT-03. Yamaha offers a wide range of accessories, allowing you to personalize your bike to suit your style and needs. From performance upgrades to aesthetic enhancements, the possibilities are endless. Whether you want a sportier exhaust note, enhanced comfort, or a more aggressive look, Yamaha has you covered. Let's talk about value. The Yamaha MT-03 offers incredible performance and features at a price point that makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. It's a motorcycle that punches above its weight, delivering the kind of performance and quality you'd expect from a much more expensive bike. Yamaha's reputation for reliability and durability ensures that the MT-03 is a smart investment, offering years of riding pleasure with minimal maintenance. The MT-03 is part of Yamaha's renowned MT series, which includes iconic models like the MT-07, MT-09, and MT-10. Each bike in the MT lineup shares the same DNA, focusing on torque-rich performance, sharp styling, and unmatched riding dynamics. The MT-03 serves as the entry point to this legendary family, offering an accessible way to experience the thrill of Yamaha's master of torque philosophy. Imagine yourself riding the MT-03. The wind in your face, the sound of the engine roaring beneath you, and the world rushing by. Every twist of the throttle brings a surge of excitement, every corner a new adventure. The MT-03 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a ticket to freedom, a gateway to exploration, and a reminder that life is meant to be lived to the fullest. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first bike or a seasoned enthusiast seeking a lightweight and fun machine, the Yamaha MT-03 is the perfect choice. Its combination of performance, style, and value makes it a standout in its class. It's a bike that inspires confidence, fuels your passion for riding, and keeps you coming back for more. So, what are you waiting for? The Yamaha MT-03 is calling. It's time to experience the thrill of the open road, the joy of riding, and the unmatched performance of Yamaha's master of torque. With the MT-03, every ride is an adventure, and every moment is unforgettable. The Yamaha MT-03, bold, dynamic, and ready to take on the world. Are you ready to join the revolution? Please like this video and subscribe my channel so you never miss any update.